Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how you can make dual applications in just seconds in your Realme smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So I will tell you step by step information about this. So first of all you have to open your phone manager. So this is the system application that will secure your smartphone. Click on skip and here it will show some of the important tools are there. You have to click on more tools and scroll down. You will see here it is app cloner, then agree the terms and condition. So it will suggest some of the installed application and some of the system application. This will not show all the application in your device. So here it is that Instagram I am enabling it. So it is creating the app clone version of the Instagram. So you can see friends, there are now two Instagram are showing like this. So this is one original, this is the duplicate clone version. You can run second account on it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.